People don't talk enough about how good this apple tart with a touch of flan is. It's amazing. Look, Guao is saying eat me. And besides, it's super easy, really good, creamy, and you can really taste the apple. Plus the cream also has an apple flavor. The crunchiness of that sugar we put on top. The result is amazing. The recipe is super easy. Let's get started. First ingredient, 4 apples. I'm going to use golden apples like these. We slice them into wedges, make them thick because that's better. Butter, 50 grams. And what are we going to do with it? We're going to melt it in a pan. There we go. Just a few seconds and this step is done. Put our apple wedges in, give them a stir, and cook them until they're lightly toasted. Just 2 minutes later, we're going to place them one by one in a baking dish lined with paper. Come on, baking paper, of course. Parchment paper, like this. Little by little, looking great. When you have the base well covered, like I do, this step will be done. And we continue with 4 eggs to make the custard filling. Is the mystery being revealed? Beat it with a hand whisk or an electric one if you want it done in seconds, then add sugar. I'm going to add 100 grams because I have a sweet tooth, but even with 50, it would be good. You decide, come on, I'll have it ready in no time, and when it's nice and creamy, I'll keep adding ingredients. Don't worry, the important thing is that the egg is well beaten. With all these ingredients we've added, make sure they're well mixed so we don't have any lumps. That's how we want it, super yellow. And here we go, wheat flour, 50 grams. If you're allergic to gluten, you can also use cornstarch. Add it, and you're also going to add 10 grams of baking powder. Because there was a lawsuit or something like that, and in the end you can't call it baking powder. We keep mixing. If you give it a stir beforehand, it won't splash everywhere once you have it well mixed. Add cinnamon, I love it, so add a teaspoon. And we also add 250 milliliters of milk. And what are we going to do now? Of course, you guessed it. Mix everything together. Come on, the mixer goes in again. As soon as you have everything well mixed, pour it over the apples that we had nicely arranged in our mold. Give it a shake to spread it out, add the rest, and from here, we go to the oven. Just 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 357 Fahrenheit, and after that time, it will look amazing. Wow. All you have to do is sprinkle it with sugar. If you have brown sugar, it'll turn out even better. And to the table, as soon as it's cool and you've taken it out of the mold, I'm gonna add a pinch more sugar. Ready to dig in? Here you have apple tart with a touch of flan, apple tart and flan, call it whatever you want, Riz Rash. This recipe is amazing. It's really good, huh?
See you